Can a writer read too many craft books? Absolutely yes. Hi, I'm Anne. I'm a book coach and indie author. The problem is, at some point, you go from learning new things to just procrastinating. What really teaches you how to write a book is sitting down and writing. And also remember that a craft book is one writer's opinion about what is the best process. It's their take, their personal gospel of what works. It won't necessarily work for you. So don't take writing advice as universal truth, no matter who gives it to you. You should think of them as a buffet where you can pick what fits best to you. For example, I'm very into Maggie Smith, Dear Writer. It's a beautiful craft book, beautiful language, and I admire her so much. But there's a lot of things that she tells in her book that won't work for me. It's just not my style. But I can still be inspired to be more intentional with my language when I write. So read the craft books, but also remember that it's the writing that actually teaches you how to write, and it's the writing that gets the book finished.